duress. The Governor has applauded the efforts of the government in creating job opportunities for the youth via the startups programs and the Atmanirbhar Bharat Swaympurna Goa scheme. He stressed that the Goa is the highest per capita income at 4.76 lakhs in the country, which is a matter of pride for us. Goa is ranked 7th in the country on sustainable development goals. The government is due to an efficient system, been able to attract close to 16,500 crores of investments to Goa. This will create job opportunities for nearly 30. I wish to mention here the various progressive steps taken by the Goa Industrial Development Corporation, with the entire corporation productively pursuing the one goal of holistic industrial development for the progress of the state. In the areas of income generation, the Governor made a special mention of the government's efforts to make Goans self-employed by creating a conducive environment for sustainable farming and by providing revolving funds to self-help groups so as to give our sisters the security of sustainable income. Our Agriculture Department is actively engaged in helping grow the production of agriculture produce and thereby empowering the rural households. Dairy and poultry farming have been given a tremendous boost in the past couple of years for creating income avenues and creating local ecosystem. Speaker, sir, all these efforts on the part of the government found favor in the Honorable Governor's address, and I wish to thank the Governor for expressing that the people of Goa have reposed their faith in the government led by young and dynamic Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant by according a resounding victory in the recently concluded ZP elections. My compliments to the Chief Minister and all our colleagues for the achievement. The government is pursuing the resumption of all kinds of mineral mining, albeit in a sustainable and holistic manner. The Chief Minister has taken a strong stand not to allow the enhancement of handling of polluting commodities as is seen in the handling of polluting commodities as is seen in the coal issue, and any efforts to increase the handling has been nipped by our government. The government under his leadership is bound to deliver on the aspirations of the people, and I congratulate the Honourable CM on this bold step and request the opposition to not sway the people's emotions by making false claims. I, as an MLA of Aldona, too have a strong resolve to protect my beautiful and gifted constituency. I am convinced that such false claims are noted by the people, and the people making them are dispensed justice as evident from the present ZP elections. The Governor in his address has expressed the government's resolve to upgrade the infrastructure in the state of Goa and has mentioned the numerous completed projects and congratulated and expressed his satisfaction on the space of such developments. Speaker, sir, the Governor has been pleased to mention that his government has reached out to all sections of the society, the children, women, sportsmen, artisans, tribals, the elderly, the physical challenged and the mentally ill, and express his satisfaction on the efforts to mitigate their hardships. I thank the Honourable Governor for his kind words. In his address, he has drawn the attention of the Honourable members to the achievements of the Education Department, and I wish to congratulate them for their efforts to maintain the academic year tempo for converting an adversity into an opportunity to digitalize the education delivery system, thereby helping save academic years of our children. A special mention has to be made of the learning content platform, Gustavo, which will have far-fetching benefits to improve the educational scenario in the state. Speaker, sir, being a sports person, I wish to draw your attention to the Honourable Governor's mention of the One State, One Sport scheme, wherein the Government of India has entrusted the state with the discipline of swimming. Also, that was decided to host the entire Indian Super League Season 7, which is a treat to the football-loving people of Goa. I thank the Honourable Governor to have lauded the efforts of the government in this field. In summation, the Governor has complimented the praiseworthy performance of government, and I request the House to adopt my motion of thanks unanimously. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Leader of the opposition, you are speaking? Okay.
Speaker, sir. गोंय राज्याचे 60वें वर्ष मनयतना ह्या वर्साच्या पहिल्याच शॉर्टकट अधिवेशनात गोंय मुक्ती लढ्यांत वांटेकार जाल्ल्या सगळ्या सुटके झुजारी आनी तांची घरची हांकां वंदन करता. गोंय मुक्तीच्या नंतर गोंयची अस्मिता, गोंयची संस्कृती आनी गोंयचें दायज सांबाळून दवरपाक वावुरिल्ल्या सगळ्यांक म्हजो नमस्कार. गोंयचें पर्यावरण, गोंयचें सैम, गोंयची रानवटी जनावरां हांचो सांबाळ करपाक मुखार आयिल्ल्या सगळ्या देशभक्त आनी अभिमानी आनी स्वाभिमानी गोंयकारांक सलाम करून राज्यपाल भगत सिंग कोश्यारी हांणी केल्ल्या अभिभाशणाक विरोधी पक्षाच्या वतीन ज्यो सुचोवण्यो आमी सुचयल्यात त्या दुरुस्ती सुचयल्यात तांचेर उलोवपाक हांव उबो आसां आनी सभाघरांतल्या सगळ्या आमदारां कडेन गोंयच्या हिताच्यो आनी फुडल्या पिळयेचें बरें जातलें अश्यो ज्यो दुरुस्ती आसा त्यो सगळ्यांनी एकमतान मानून घेवचें अशें हांव सगळ्या आमदारां कडेन विनंती करतां. स्पीकर सर, काल आमी प्रजासत्ताक दिनाचो वर्धापन दीन सेलेब्रेट केलो. भारत देश जेन्ना स्वतंत्र जालो, ह्या देशान आपली घटना बरयली. डॉक्टर आंबेडकरा सारको महान मनीस जाणें ही घटना बरयली, ताणें ह्या देशाक प्रजासत्ताक एक्सेप्ट केलें. प्रजासत्ताक म्हणजे कितें? प्रजासत्ताक म्हणजे प्रजे खातीर चलयल्ली राजवट. इंग्लिशीन गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल अँड फॉर द पीपल. स्पीकर सर, आज गोंय राज्याची परिस्थिती कितें आसा? काल एक प्रजासत्ताक दिसाक ल्हानशी घटना म्हज्या नजरेक हाडून दिवची पडटा की गोंयच्या इतिहासांत दिसता पयले खेपेक प्रजासत्ताक दिसाक राज्यपाल सल्यूट घेवपाक आयलो ना. तो मान चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळ्ळो. तो आयले ना काळ. नॉर्मली प्रजासत्ताक दिसाक अख्ख्या देशांत सगळे गव्हर्नर सल्यूट घेतात आनी देशांत दिल्लीक राष्ट्रपती घेतात. स्पीकर सर, आज गोंय राज्याची परिस्थिती कितें आसा? बारीक नजर मारून तुम्ही पळया. ज्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी देश हो गोंय स्वातंत्र्य जावचें म्हणून आपलें बलिदान दिलें, ज्यांच्या कुटुंबियांनी त्रास काडले, ते स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकाच्यो फामिली, त्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकाचे भुरगे, तांचे बरोबर दोग जाण स्वातंत्र्य सैनीक आज आझाद मैदानाचेर आमरण उपोशण करपाक बशिल्ले. एका वटेन शेतकरी संजीवनी साखर कारखान्याच्या वेळार शेतकरी रस्त्यार, एका वटेन टॅक्सीवाले रस्त्यार, एका वटेन म्युनिसिपालिटीचे दुकानां आशिल्ले दुकानदार रस्त्यार, टॅक्स पेयर्स रस्त्यार. अशें आज वातावरण ह्या राज्यांत आसा. आनी ह्या लोकांचो आवाज सरकारा कडेन पावोवप हें विरोधी पक्षाचें काम आसा. आमी जर तांकां सपोर्ट दिलो, आमी जर तांचो आवाज आयकून घेतलो आनी तो आवाज जर विधानसभेंत जर मांडलो फोर्सफुली, जाल्यार ताजे खातीर कोण एंटी नॅशनल जाता अशें हांव मानपाक तयार ना. कारण नाजाल्यार विरोधी पक्षाक अर्थूच उरपाना. म्हणून विरोधी पक्षाचें बेसीक कर्तव्य टू बी द पिपल्स वॉयस इन द असेंब्ली, जे आमी प्रामाणीकपणान करपाचो प्रयत्न करता. स्पीकर सर, प्रजासत्ताकांत प्रजेच्या आवाजाक महत्व आसा. प्रजेक